Harden vacuum cleaner. Vacuum function. Easily clean up dust, powder, wood chips, particles and other debris. Metal scraps and iron cladding. Wood shavings and paper scraps. Fasteners hardware accessories. Broken stones. Corners, gaps and grooves, clean with no effort at all. Beautiful tank body. Water suction function, easily absorbs standing water, sewage, juice, milk and other liquid refuse. Humanized design, green map. Product information.